Lexies, welcome back to my channel. Today, since it is a new year, I've decided to do a video that will hopefully help the rest of January and the rest of 2019 to go the rest of 2020 to go better and to just help improve your life. Today's video is 10 habits to make your life better. Obviously, these 10 habits aren't gonna instantly make your life perfect and you're gonna have everything you want and you're gonna be happy for the rest of your life, but it will help with some aspects. And I think this is just to help you feel more confident, help you to be more productive this year, and let's just make this decade a great decade. I mean, we are back in the roaring 20s after all. Well, if you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you don't, well, hit the like button anyways, or wait till the end and hit it. Just make sure you hit it before you exit out of this video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Habit number 1 is planning your day. Planning your day can instantly make you feel more organized and prepared. You'll always know what's coming up, whether it's studying for a test, hanging out with friends, or just anything that's happening in your life, and you'll immediately be able to refer back to whatever's going on, anything you need to be prepared for, and it'll all just be laid out in front. For some of you, this might be a more difficult and challenging habit to pick up if it's not something you do regularly. Personally, I plan literally every single thing. I love making lists. Writing out lists makes me happy, and planning my life makes me feel happy. Even if half the stuff I write down doesn't happen, I just like it, you know? It's a pastime. I like making my own bullet journals too. You can actually get really good inspiration on Pinterest for bullet journal page ideas. There's so many different options, and don't be worried if you can't pick up these habits immediately. It takes at least 2 weeks for humans to pick up a new habit, and then especially if you're doing it consistently. But don't be stressed, don't feel pressured like you have to get it instantly, you have to get it like a day or two, because your brain just doesn't work that way, and that's fine. Habit number 2 is having a set skincare routine. Having clear, healthy skin can help you feel more confident, and regardless of any of that, having healthy skin is just something, and having a set skincare routine is something you should be doing regardless. I'm not going to say a lot about this because I'm going to be doing a skincare routine video in the near future, but if you have oily skin, that's the skin type I have, oddly enough, and this might not work for everyone because we all have different skin types, but before bed, if I put on moisturizer and then I use a combination of vitamin E oil, coconut oil, and aloe vera gel, it has helped my skin so much. And again, can't say a lot because don't want to ruin the video, but that's just a tip if you're struggling. I got you. Habit number 3 is drinking more water. Water is essential to life. Sometimes I feel like I can't live without it. I don't know if anybody else feels that way, but I think I'm addicted. That wasn't even that funny, but it made myself laugh. Sorry I had to witness all of that. I have a lot of energy today, and you know, I can't be stopped. You know? Do you know? Huh? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? I don't think you know. Ugh. I don't think you know. Okay, back on track. Drinking water. Habit number 3. Drinking water is essential to living, and it can make you healthy. It is good for you, and I don't know if it can make you feel happier. I sometimes feel happier when I drink water. It can help clear up your skin because it's good for you, and it's a good habit to drink enough water. Yeah. Water. Habit Habit number 4 is making your bed in the morning. A lot of you guys already do this, but if you don't, it's a great habit to start. Making your bed is it's a small task that you know you can accomplish, and when you know you have a task that you can accomplish, the first thing in the morning makes you feel like, okay, I did this, cross that off my checklist, what else can I do? I'm unstoppable. I can do so many things today. I'm gonna be productive. You know what? I'm gonna go eat a pear because I'm productive like that. Okay, we're halfway through. Habit number 5 is starting a gratitude journal. There's so many times where we forget to be thankful for all the little things that we have in life, so a gratitude journal is a great way to jot down all those memories, and if you're feeling down, you can just reflect and look back on your gratitude journal and remember all the things you have to be thankful for and to be happy about. Habit number 6, learning how not to dwell on things. Dwelling on things just brings up negative energy. It doesn't help you. It doesn't help the people around you. Just brings down your mood. It's kind of like forgiving and forgetting. You need to learn to forgive people, and then once you've forgiven them, you kind of just have to let it go. There's no point in being a plunger and bringing up old, you know. Habit number 7 is learning how to balance school, social media, work, and relationships. You know the saying, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, but all play and no work makes Jack an unsuccessful, unemployed loser. Don't be dull and don't be a loser. Just learn how to balance everything. Everything is fine in moderation. You don't want to have too much work and too little time with family and friends, but you also don't want to just be partying all the time and then putting off work and school and everything that's gonna help you get places in life. Habit number 8 is spending time outside daily and getting sun. Sun is it brings out those happy endorphins, it fills you with serotonin, it can make you feel better, it can make you feel more positive because it actually does release the chemicals in your brain that make you feel joy and happiness. And sun, fresh air, just going outside and breathing fresh air, it can make you feel more calm and at peace. You don't even have to be outside for long. You can just go for a 15-minute walk and do some stretches and then head back inside. But just try to get as much time outside as you can and away from screens also. Nature is a beautiful thing. It's there for a reason. Habit number 9 and 10 are they're really similar, so I'm just going to combine them into this one clip. Habit number 9 is hanging up your clothes after you wear them or putting them in a hamper. I've done so many times where I just take my clothes off and throw them on the ground, and then I do that day after day, and then it just piles up, and then it makes me feel stressed because I have a messy room, and it's during the week, so I don't really have a ton of time between studying and homework, and then also cleaning up my room. So that just brings down my mood. And then habit number 10 is keeping a clean room and a clean living space, which is your bedroom, your bathroom, and if you live by yourself, your entire house and your kitchen. And having a clean house it makes you feel calmer, especially during the week. You have less stress and less work to do. And it's just a great habit to get into so that, especially if somebody drops by or the postman comes, not the postman, like UPS or something, drop off a package, you're not embarrassed and you don't have to be like scrambling to pick everything up. And those were the 10 habits to live a better life. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and that it gave you some sort of inspiration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified when I upload my next video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace!